Hello, how's it going? Well, if you're watching this, I guess you're interested in installing the electrical connection harness for Harley Davidson. I have a 2023 Street Glide. This is pretty much what comes in the pack. Zip ties, some heat shrink, I guess splicing butt connectors, I guess you want to call it. This cable here for wiring up to your battery, and this right here for going into your, I believe it's called 325B harness. And then you have this one right here, this right here. I don't know what this is called, but anyway, I believe this right here, which the heated seat would plug into. This gives you some extra leads. I'm not going to go into it too much, but I believe one is one's ground, one's accessory, one is straight to the battery, which it gets from this one here. And then I believe this one, let's see, you got 3-pin, and then this one here is a 3-pin also. Hold on a second. Yep. Female, 3-pin, male on this one. I believe it's this one. That goes into, let's go over here by the bike, the 325B, which is on the Street Glide 2023 here. I know some of the drawings show, and I think some bikes have it here, but I have this doodad here, which I don't know what it is. I don't know. Don't care. Bosch, looks like. Yep, so it's probably some kind of trash control, anti-lock brakes, something, you know. But anyway, this is right here, your 325B cable, right here. So that male in on a harness is going to go into here. And then got to take some of this stuff off, this cover, get to the positive. I'll go ahead and, what do you call it? Let's stop here for now. And I'll pick up as I go through each step and give a little quick video of what I'm doing as I'm trying to figure it out. But while all this is off, is usually a good time to maybe clean it up. So what I did was took some Honda spray cleaner and polish. This stuff works good. So sprayed it on the rag, wiped everything down. I mean, this is good for paint, chrome, plastic, and aluminum. So yeah, I wiped off everything. This swing arm, you know, got wiped off my shocks a little bit, get all the dust off. Cleaned behind the plastic side covers, which I know probably nobody does. So I did that. And I'll probably wipe off under my seat. That's my standard seat. The reason I'm doing this is because I ordered the Sundowner heated and cooled seat. $1,000 seat, or $900 or whatever, close enough. But anyway, and I'm gonna make a video of that also, and the weather is getting cooler now, and I will eventually have reviews on that to let everybody knows, because I couldn't find many. I found a couple of hammock videos, and I think really the only Sundowner video was an actual Harley Davidson video. So, but anywho, let me go over here to the instructions, and we'll try to figure this out, I guess. So bear with me. I'm in the garage. I'm no professional vlogger here. But if you have a touring bike, or if you have a Softail, pick your poison, right? Let's see. Let's go back to the beginning. What does it say? See the service manual for to remove the main fuse. See the service manual, remove seat, retain the seat and all mounting hardware. No joke. Who's going to throw that away? Remove right side cover, that's off. Remove electrical caddy from top of the battery. So we're going to go back to step one. We're going to remove the main fuse, which is There. So be right back. Main fuse is out. So let's go over here. Main fuse on the table. Right here, electrical caddy. So it looks like it's probably going to be this one and this one. And I'll be back in a few minutes when I got this off. T40. These little these nuts or whatever, they're not tight. Get them off pretty easy. It's just holding down a plastic tray. So let me finish getting this off and then we'll pick it up from there. Okay, just in case there's some confusion. This right here, this little module dealio, just slides right off. Boop, it's out of the way. Right? This one, this black and gray plug. The gray one was here, like that. The black one was here. Slid off. Lift up. This sits like right in here, right? Just lift this little tab up a little bit. Right out. Don't unplug the ECU. I'm sure it's probably, I don't know, man. But anyway, it just clips. Like I said, it slides like into a little tray right here. And there's a clip here and a clip here. Just pry it out a little bit. Your computer comes out here and then it will flip out of the way. Right here, like this. Flips out of the way. See in this little tray here? This little tray just wiggles right out. So, but I'm trying to do this one-handed, folks. Give me 1 second. All right, so we got the tray out. The tray kind of goes over this little tab here. Then you got your negative and your positive. All right, when you do this, undo your negative, then undo your positive. Put your positive back on, then put your negative back on. Go ahead and just while you're doing your other stuff, just lay this tray there to keep anything from shorting out against the positive and negative while you're working and doing stuff on your bike. Let's go back over here. So remove the caddy from top tray. We already know where that plug is at. See figure 2, remove the fuse. 4, from the inline fuse holder of the B plus adapter. This is your B plus adapter. Right here. Bam. Done. Locate your power and accessory connector, the 325B, which is this. We already know where that's at. A black 3-way Molex pin housing with a weather cap. Inside the electrical caddy, under the right side cover, touring, and under the left side soft tail. All right. See figure 2 in table 1. Release the secondary lock of the accessory connector 325B, right? What they're talking about is, come back around here, this right here. We want to release, this right here. We want to stick a little screwdriver in there, clip that, release that, and see that little dealio in there? That little pin thingy? We're going to get that out of there. All right, so I'll be back. So you can take a little small screwdriver or a little scribe like this and basically, sorry, one hand here, not a fancy YouTuber. Get it in there, go in there and click, and this is going to pop up, right? So with that, we got to get this out, right? So if you're trying to just pull it out, hold on, bear with me, probably ain't going to be too successful, right? So you have to get something real thin in there, like a little paper clip, and then push in there because that little plastic deal, that insert has a like a clip on it, right? So I'll be back again. Let me go get one. All right, when it comes to getting this little filler pin out of here, okay, I've seen a couple different videos. Some people use pins, safety pins, and blah, 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 and everything. Use this, man. This, what size is this? A 1.5 millimeter Allen. No joke. I sat there wrestling around with this, trying to get the little sewing pin in there to get that thing loose, man. I stuck this bad boy in. Went right in the hole. Went in. Click. That sucker came right out. Like, no BS, no problem. So, if you have one around, it's a 1.5 millimeter Allen. You get these little small ones in tool sets too. You know, this might be more common. Man, slides right in that hole. It goes click, and the little white thing comes right out. So don't waste your time with sewing pins and all that crap, man. Use a little 1.5 millimeter Allen. Right in, out. All right, let me go get the cables. I'll be back again. All right, I'm back. Instructions tell you to take this fuse out. So take this fuse out because you're going to be plugging this into this connector. And then you don't want this, you know, bouncing around there, you know, arcing and sparking and doing whatever else when you're trying to hook it up to the battery. So basically, this little connector right here in this end. Sorry if it's out of focus. But if you have this, you know, this little connector, maybe I can zoom in, I don't know. But anyway, this is going to go into the back of this. It only goes one way. So if you mess it up, man, I don't know what to tell you. So here's a little example. If you try to put it in, sorry for the focus, people. If you try to put it in upside down, it ain't going to go. See the little notch on top? That little thing is not going to go. So if you try to stick it in this way, it's designed to stop you, man. See me, a little notch? If you try to put it upside down, that's going to stop you. So flip it over, insert it. You'll go ahead, you'll push it in. Go ahead, push it in until it clicks in place. Take that, snap it back in, and you're all good in the hood, man. It's all good. It ain't going nowhere. See? All good. All your wires are secure. So now this cable here, like the instructions are going to tell you, you're going to route that up to the positive terminal on your battery. Like I said, once you get up there, disconnect the negative, then put your stuff on the positive, and then tighten the negative, put the negative back on. Be right back. Okay, what I did is I routed that power cable up here. You can see where I got the little fuse thing. You want to leave it to where you can get to it in case you have to change your fuse. So you see negative secured. Got the positive, everything's secured. Got it mounted straight so it clears the caddy. And now what you want to do is go ahead and put your caddy back in to its spot. All right, I think I can do this with one hand. Caddy's back in its location, okay? Go ahead, take your computer here, slap that in place. See that clicks down right there, right? Okay. Now I want to double check my power cable here. Make sure I can get to this bad boy. Oops, sorry. And since I do have it, let me see. Oh man, I hate doing stuff one-handed. Hope somebody watches this video. So anyway, the cable's here. So if I have to, I can access my fuse here, which I don't see why I can't. Cannot put it. I'll wait until I get my seat and see how the instructions say. But anyway, this right here, this clicks right here. So you put your computer in, this clicks down. Don't know what this is, don't care. This one here, this comes in right here. It just slides in place right there. And then, like I said, this one right here goes in. That clicks in place. And this is good to go right here. That's good to here. That's good there. These connectors are good. This was like this. Nuts and pins and chafing. And right here, I can get my, I can get the fuse in and I can change a fuse. I can see it. Here's the little lid for it. So basically, I think that's it on that side. And then that cable is wired in to this. This is your auxiliary power cable. This was plugged into here. I'm sorry. This right here. I think I had the camera angle wrong. Okay, so this one right here, this is what hooked it up directly to my battery. And then my harness. So I plugged this 3-way harness into this power accessory cable that comes from under here, this main harness, into here. And then take this dummy one here. This one right here can clip right to this bracket. I think there's a spot for that. Yep. Sorry, doing this crap one-handed, man, kind of sucks. So this extra one, let me line this up and get that lined up. I got a lot of helicopter noise, man. It sounds like Coast Guard's busy. There we go. So that mounts up like that. And then this is for the heated seat. So let me figure out some ways to zip tie this and clean this up, and I'll get back on with y'all. All right, well, I think I got everything set up. Right here, this is going to be for my heated seat. Actually, UPS is supposed to drop it off this evening. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I kind of wanted it easy to get to, so I don't have to keep taking bags inside, covers off. I have all the cable harness and everything. I have it zip tied right here. Already checked. Cover goes on, no problems. And so I think that's it, man. If you got any questions, let me know. It wasn't too hard. The only thing I had, a little issue with was the only thing I had an issue with was just that pin. So I think it was that 1.5 millimeter little Allen. That sucker went in, and click, and then that little plastic pin came right out. No problems. But yeah, so it looks like it's all buttoned up now. Just gotta wait for the seat to come. And I ordered a bra, but I'll get into that on another video. Anyway, later.